Alright.
How'd I turn this on?
What?
I think I turned this on.
You would know.
It's got green light and...
That's not what it's on.
You gotta film me while I'm running the air out of them.
I can't film you with your light on.
No, I know, but you gotta move all this before you film me. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.